Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you with not being able to log into your Xbox account. First, let's start with some basic checks. Please confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent login. Next, visit the official Xbox status page to see if there are any service disruptions affecting millions of users. Finally, double-check your username and password for any typos. Sometimes, a simple mistake like a forgotten capital letter can cause issues. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, it's time to consider account recovery. You can easily reset your Microsoft account password through the official recovery portal. Look for the Forgot My Password link on the login page. It's usually quite prominent. You'll then be guided through a secure process to verify your identity, often involving a code sent to your registered email address or phone number. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Sometimes, the problem lies with the device itself. A simple yet effective solution is to perform a full restart of your Xbox console or PC. For Xbox, hold the power button for about 10 seconds until it completely shuts down, then power it back on. You might also need to clear your console's cache. If that doesn't work, try removing your account profile from the device and then re-adding it. This can often resolve corrupted profile data. If you've tried all these steps and still can't log in, it's time to contact Xbox support. Before reaching out, gather all your account details and any specific error codes you've encountered. This will save you a lot of time. Clearly explain the problem and list the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. You can find various contact options, including chat and phone support, on the official Xbox support website, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.